Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. My name is Aaron and this is For the Love of Tech. And today I have a video that I'm kind of excited about. It's something a little different as far as what I'm used to using when it comes to smartphones. So what I have in the package is the Pocofone F2, and I believe the word Pro is mixed in there somewhere. That is right. Last year or the year before that, when the Pocofone F1 came out, we were looking at like a $399 price tag. I think I bought my phone for like $250 on sale on Amazon. And this device is a little bit more expensive. It has a little bit more built into it, and I'm really eager to use this as my daily driver. And let me go ahead and just get it opened up, and let's see exactly what the excitement is all about, shall we? Here it is, Poco F2 Pro. Not a whole lot as far as descriptions go on the back. It has this nice, beautiful yellow. This is the Phantom White, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM, and that's storage. So one of the things that separates this device from the Pocofone F1 is the Pocofone F1 had some connectivity, I can't even say that there were problems or issues because it just wasn't built to work on all networks, and it wasn't even built to work on 4G here in the US. But this device is made for all 4G networks, I'm told, including up to Sprint, and it also will work with 5G. So this device is a little bit more expensive. I believe I paid about $550 for it. So let's go ahead and stop flapping our jaw and let's get in, open it up, and see what all the excitement is about. I only know a couple other creators that unboxed this and are using it. Big shout out to my buddy Leo over at Android Stud. This time, after watching his unboxing video, it made me want to go out and get my own because it was so gorgeous and so beautiful, and his reaction to the phone when he was opening it just made me think and feel like I'm missing out. So let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? So in the box, we've got our SIM ejector tool, some papers, and we have a hard shell, which is really nice. So here on the front, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, and 64 megapixel AI camera. So the quad with a 20 megapixel pop-up camera. Moment of truth, me and you, let's get real. I bought this because I've never owned a phone with a pop-up camera, and I thought this would be a great way to get my feet wet. Here's everything that we just talked about on the front, and now look at that beautiful color. That's a giant ugly sticker. Look at that beautiful white. It's got like a pearl look to it. It's kind of changing colors a little bit. Now, just so happens for, S&Gs, the Pocofone F1 right here, I fired her up out of the archives. So there it is. And here's a quick little comparison. So this is the last model's color that I got, which is not very exciting. And here is this one. So a couple key differences right away. Triple lens, quad lens. This has got the 64 megapixels. From what I remember, this phone took some pretty decent pictures, so I don't think it was absolutely horrible, but this looks like, it feels like a phenomenal, like, is this stainless steel or stainless steel-like siding? That's just really gorgeous. So let's go ahead and fire this up, and let's just kind of see what that experience looks and feels like. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up, shall we? It says checking for SIM. We're going to go ahead and bypass the SIM right now. Checking for updates. So if there's an update out of the box, it'll definitely bring that to us. So we are almost done with the setup. One thing I find really interesting about this device is that it gives us a few different options right there. So this is a gamer setting. This is some built-in skins and themes that are already there. So I know Samsung has some really heavy skins built into it, but I think this is pretty cool looking. I think I'm gonna go with the gamer. So little feature here, swipe twice right to go ahead and have some hidden icons or applications, if you will, in case you got some stuff that you're trying to hide from somebody. This is where you put it. You can put a password on there, so that's pretty clever. Finishing updating all my Google apps. I'm definitely digging this skin. I'm really happy about it, actually. This thing is a beast. I mean, the specs alone on this device for 550 bucks is enough to make anybody say, give me that. I mean, we're used to the 8 Pro, the OnePlus 8 Pro, that's about $1,000 device right there. Over here, we have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which another quad cam setup, 1,400 bucks. This thing's crazy expensive. Very eager to see how the pictures come out and the difference between this device and this device, considering we're looking at a $900 difference. So we're gonna go ahead and just finish off this quick little introduction unboxing, first impressions, if you will, with my new little Android friend and my little YouTube plant that I've named him Viper. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a couple quick little shots. People yell at me because I take shots that are close up. I'm here to tell you that's how I like to take photos. It creates in my mind a baseline for the pictures. If I take a shot, it lets me see the macro, the autofocus, the adjustments, you know, the saturation, all this stuff. So take a couple photos just like this, put them up in the video. Wow, that was super quick. So we're gonna go ahead and take the same picture with the S20 Ultra. Telling you right now, the difference in the autofocus, it's very noticeable from the very beginning. I think the Poco gave me a much better, smoother autofocus experience. Next, we're gonna do the selfie. So I'm really excited about taking a selfie with this because it has a pop-up camera. Oh, did you see that? Did you see it? Guys? Did you see that? Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put these up on the screen right now for you to go ahead and take a quick look at. You let me know which one you like. The angles came out a little bit different. Now that front facing, that was a 20 megapixel lens. 20 megapixels, you heard that. Guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, if I can put my main SIM in this and I can get all the goodness, this is legit my next daily driver. Love the S20 Ultra. I know you love content with the S20 Ultra. I love the OnePlus 8 Pro. It's been phenomenal. I love it more than anything, but I think I want to make love to this device. I want to hold it. I want to cuddle with it. I want to give it kisses. I want to take pictures with it. PG pictures, get your mind out the gutter. I mean, I'm just really impressed by it overall. And it comes with its own hard case. So that way, like, the beautifulness known as this white opal pearl color changing goodness, I'm still going to be able to show off to everybody. So I got to start searching for some cases on the internet. Really excited about this. Hopefully I'm expressing to you guys how excited I am about and for this device. 550 bucks out the box, out the door, into my house, into the studio, and now coming into your screens right here today. You want to see more of me or more content like this? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified. And tell me what you guys think about this phone. The specs, everything that we went over, all the goodness, all the amazingness, all the screens, all the features, all the everything. I mean, God, I was so excited. I didn't even finish going through the box. I was so excited about the phone. I didn't even finish going in the box. You know, it's just the box. We don't care what's inside. We got the goodness out. But what I do know is inside is a fast charger, and I will just bring that up. I know you were like, we're about to end the video. But then I started talking some more, and I realized we never talked about the fast chargers. So this must be why they sent me this in the box, because this is for a different country. It's not for my country. It's a pretty legit charging brick though. But my friends over at RAV Power just sent me a brand new fast charger. So I'm all squared away with fast chargers for the moment. So guys, like I said, you want to see more videos like this? Hit subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about this phone. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste. Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later.